Foldable schmoldable. That's what CNET says. How about that for a headline? Exclusive. Exclusive. Foldable schmoldable. Leaked images show a concept phone with a slide-out screen. Why you got fold? You don't got fold. You just slide and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. You know what that's for? When do you stop, drop, and roll? Well, the people
I believe it's when you're on fire.
Let the people know.
Yeah.
Let the people know. Actually, Vin, he sent us the clip with the guy actually was on fire. Did you watch the clip?
No, I didn't.
It was in the Slack. It's a rock star. He's playing. He's doing what he... No, I don't think it's Gene Simmons. He's doing what a rock star does with a guitar. And the pyrotechnics go off in the background, and it lights the hairspray. And the whole thing's flaming. He does not slow down. He just keeps going.
That's a G.
As you would. If you're an actual rock star, as you would.
Yeah.
And then the guys are coming, they're trying to knock the fire up. He just keeps
He's like,
going.
no.
And then after the fact, he got interviewed, and he said, look, I knew I was on fire, but I live a crazy life, and that ain't going to slow me down.
Wow.
You see that, Will?
I can't do that.
Yeah, think about it.
It's pretty amazing.
Foldable schmoldable. You got to stop, drop, and roll. It's a sliding phone, so it extends out of an inner chamber and then pulls a screen with it. Of course, we got the folding stuff, Will. You don't believe me? Got the folding stuff, Will. Don't believe me? But now everybody, people start talking about creases. They start talking about the other style flip. No one wants to talk about the original Galaxy Fold anymore. Maybe they want to talk about the Escobar Fold. How about that?
That's a hot one.
Hot one. Like the show with the chicken wings.
Yes.
TCL, they're a company, they've shown off some pretty wild concepts in the past, and this is the latest in that realm. The benefit here with the rollout display is you don't have to have a hinge, obviously. There's no hinge involved. And not having a hinge, maybe you can get your screen more taut. You know the word taut? Something is taut. It's tight. And maybe you can do that. I mean, obviously, the images they've released, I don't see a crease, but that looks like a render, or it looks like the image was rendered onto the thing after the fact. You've been in Photoshop before, Will. You've been in there. You've been around there. You've been in the nooks and crannies of those types of apps.
Oh, yeah. Right in there.
Yeah, with the masking and the saturation. You've been in there. TCL is creating a phone prototype that has an expandable slide-out display. CNET has learned. There's the exclusive part. CNET learned it. In a new twist on flexible screens. Based on the images that CNET obtained, the concept design looks like a standard phone, but then it turns into a tablet after you've pulled out the screen. It's a novel design that TCL was planning to show off at Mobile World Congress. Mobile World Congress, you tell me what happened, Will, to Mobile World Congress. Of course, on the last episode of this, we were saying, we were speculating. We said, few dropped out.
Yep.
Corona factor, few dropped out. Then, they shut it down. Yeah. And we called it.
Did we?
No, we didn't call anything. We don't need to call any. I don't care. Call anything. But they did shut it down, and it's probably the right move. Wouldn't you agree? Shut it down.
It's dangerous.
But you have a number of manufacturers that were depending on that conference as a platform to launch a new device. I'll be talking about it with another manufacturer in a couple topics over. And so they've had to adapt, call an audible, do something different, unplanned, and maybe that's where these images come from. They obviously can't have any big keynote type presentation without the event happening, or maybe they could on their own, like another brand is planning to do. You may recall TCL, they showed off a crazy foldable 5G look in the past. This one, this one's obviously, as they say, novel because of the fact that it's not a fold at all, but instead a roll. We saw rolling stuff on the patent forms, Let's Go Digital, on previous episodes as well. So they're not the only ones that are thinking about the idea of a rolling display, but they look to be the closest for the time being. And it's not a roll up, for the record. It's not a roll up the rim to win.
You pulling a Tim Hortons?
It's a Tim Hortons commercial, which is crazy because everybody knows who I'm sponsored by.
Yeah.
Tim Hortons, every so often, the little promotion, you roll up the rim, you win a donut or a coffee, but never a car, although they tell you you could. It's like 1 in 20,000 or something. Anyway, you're not rolling up the rim, you're rolling up the phone.
No.
And that's more exciting than a rim, is a phone.
Mm-hmm.
What do I think? Oh, man, it's wild out here. It's wild out here. What is it? What's the next form factor? I don't know. Creases. The guy, Jerry Rig, he was destroying the flip, the Z flip.
Yep.
Are we really ready as human beings? Are we gentle? Are we careful? Or are we
savages?
Are we apes with slightly less hair? Which one are we, Will?
I would say.
And by the way, the slightly less hair, I'm referring to all of you, not myself.
Yeah.
Because if we're talking about body, remember in the locker room the other day, he was saying, Sean was saying body modifications was how he was referring to the guy that had piercings on the other hockey team. Right. It's a very nice way of saying piercings. Yeah. Apparently the guy had some kind of a...
On the neck?
On the back of the neck. He had something going on. I never noticed it. Something on the back of the neck, which when you're wearing it on the rink, you got to wonder. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Or maybe it's more robust than anyway, he called it body modification.
I see.
Why does that matter? You tell me, Will.
I think of something else with body modification. I feel like it's something like way more than a piercing.
Whoa. You're modern. You're really modern.
Yeah.
You're modern. You're modding because you're modern. All right. Well, anyway, that's what he said.
Oh, okay.
That's how he said it. What are we going to do? I don't know. Is it going to roll? Is it going to fold? We got to just fast forward all the way to some kind of projecting holographic, Minority Report type thing. We got to go all the way. Yeah. It's enough already.
Yeah.
You pull a phone out of cereal box, why don't you?
It's a slab and then it's holograms, you think?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Or something in your eye.
Oh, right. Okay. That's more realistic. We just go in the eye and it's huge and it's 100 inches and vegetable status 24/7. Mm-hmm. I don't know. But TCL, in the meantime, they're going to roll it up for you. And it's kind of cool. These things are not easy to engineer. And that's kind of where I come from with the appreciation. As much as I see we're reaching, we're grasping at straws to hit that next new thing. Just on the mechanical side of making these things work and work in a durable enough fashion, even the little improvements they did to the Fold and V2, it's like you got to appreciate guys going in there and really trying to hammer it out. Mm-hmm. Obviously not using a hammer.
No.
Little gears and cogs and wheels. It's like the watchmakers of the 20th century.
With the little microscope in their eye,
Oh, yeah. The monocle looking type thing.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. It's like a high-tech version of that.
Good on them, though.
The watchmaker. The timekeeper.
It sounds cool.
What about in the Matrix? That guy held all the keys.
Is he the...
Was he the architect? He had so many keys.
No.
Kirk's throwing us off here.
The key maker?
The key maker. No, I don't know if he's a key. He had all the keys.
He makes the keys to open all the doors.
Is a key maker a locksmith? You know what I always liked as a concept? The skeleton key. The key for all the doors. Wasn't that always fun and interesting? The skeleton key. No, you don't care.
Isn't it the town key?
Oh, key
Key
to the
to the
city
city,
is
yeah.
another cool key, but it's useless, that key.
Oh yeah, it's just
It
like
just
this
makes you feel special
giant
for a
key.
minute. I'll give you, I'm sure you get the key to this city if you really wanted it. Ask Jack, he'll send an email.
About it.
Anyway, Matrix, keys. He got the keys to the Matrix, keys to the city, skeleton key, Resident Evil. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you all
Yeah.
need the key. You need the green key card.
I mean, Resident Evil, I'm looking for keys. I spent a year looking for keys in Resident Evil.
There's like a clover key.
I mean, I spent a
Heart
year
key.
looking for keys in Resident Evil. Tell you
Snake
what,
key.
Will.
A lot of keys.
Yeah. Guy like you probably found all those keys right away. Probably just went straight to, you probably had the guide. You probably had to,
Yeah.
at the EB Games, you pick up the actual guide. The walkthrough, pre-YouTube walkthrough, because you had to do 100% completion. And you didn't have time.
And it's like 100 pages.
Yeah, maybe you had to, you had another game to get to, you had to get through it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I ever had 100% completion. Once games started with the side missions and whatnot,
Yeah.
holy moly, dude.
It's too much.
It's a level of commitment right
Yeah.
there.